Welcome to MedTech Global Insights. The global market for orthopedic joint replacements is booming, driven by an aging population and active lifestyles. Yet for manufacturers, this high-demand landscape is paired with an incredibly complex and fragmented regulatory environment. A breakthrough hip or knee implant in one country can remain inaccessible to patients elsewhere for years. This is due to the immense challenge of navigating international market access. Orthopedic implants are almost universally classified as high-risk medical devices. In the United States, they're typically Class 3, requiring a rigorous pre-market approval or PMA. In Europe, the stringent medical device regulation, or MDR, also classifies them as Class 3. This regulation demands a higher level of clinical evidence and a robust post-market surveillance system that many legacy manufacturers were not prepared for. Companies now need a comprehensive lifecycle approach to compliance, not just a one-time approval. Consider a successful American company with an FDA-approved knee replacement system. They decide to expand into the European Union and Australia. They quickly discover their existing technical dossier is insufficient for the EU MDR. Their clinical data needs to be supplemented, and their risk management files must be updated to meet the new, stricter requirements. Simultaneously, for Australia, they need to appoint a local TGA sponsor and adapt their submission to local standards, even if they can leverage their US approval. This dual-front effort becomes a resource drain, delaying market entry by months, if not years. This is where a modern, integrated approach becomes critical. Imagine if this company could use a single, streamlined process for multiple markets. This involves building a master technical dossier that is designed from the ground up for global submissions. Advanced AI tools can help compile and manage this documentation, ensuring consistency and flagging gaps for different jurisdictions. By partnering with an organization with local entities, they can handle local representation in over 30 markets without setting up their own offices. This single process, multiple markets, strategy transforms a series of disconnected, complex submissions into a coordinated global launch. The challenges are only growing as new technologies like 3D printed, patient-specific implants emerge, creating new regulatory questions. Furthermore, expansion into fast-growing Asia-Pacific markets requires deep on-the-ground expertise to navigate unique local requirements. Success in the global orthopedic market today depends on a proactive, technology-enabled regulatory strategy. It is about seeing the entire world as a single, integrated market from day one. To learn more about how to streamline your global expansion and navigate these complex regulatory pathways, email or visit Pure Global.